Hi and welcome back to TutoGuru. In this After Effects tutorial, we will create a quick and advanced pie chart with tags controlled by expressions. Open After Effects, create new composition. I will go with 1920 by 1080 and 30 frames per second. Pick any color you like for background. Create a circle with the circle tool. Make it a perfect circle. Move anchor point with the pen behind tool. Align it to the center. Pick any color you like. Select the circle. Go to the Effect panel. Type Radio Wipe. Apply it to it. You can see here the transition is inverted. Select counterclockwise. 0% means the transition is complete. We should keep that in mind. I will set it to 25% for now. Rename the shape layer to Widget 1. Create a null object and name it Control. Go to the Effect panel, type Slider. Apply it to the control layer. The slider will be our controller. Now we will link the transition to the slider control. Lock the Effect panel. Go to Widget 1. Effects. Hold Alt and click on the clock. It will bring expression text field. Link it with Pick to slider. Now they are linked. You can see it's still inverted. That is why we need to add 100 minus at the beginning of expression. Now it is more logical. I will set it to 25. Duplicate Widget 1 with Ctrl D. The digit will increments. Duplicate the slider control. Change the parameter to slider control 2 like this. The thing now is we need the second pie to start where the first finish. That needs a couple of code. Hold Alt and click on the clock of start angle, type X equals and pick the transition completion of Widget 1. Hit enter. Type Y equals and pick the start angle of Widget 1. Don't forget the semicolon. The final value will return 360 multiplied by x divided by minus 100 plus y. Hit enter to confirm. Change the color of Widget 2. Let's check our work. It works perfectly. Set the first slider to 25. The second to 20. To add another widget, we must take care of something. The start angle of every widget we create depend on the previous widget. On our layers that means the widget below. We will define it by indexes. Return to the expression we made. Replace Widget 1 with Index plus 1. Index return the number of the widget layer. Plus 1 will give us the layer below it. Now when we duplicate the widget layer, we won't be worrying about changing parameters. Duplicate Widget 2. Duplicate slider control and change the reference in the expression. We don't need to change parameter now. Change the color of the third pie. I hope you pick better colors than me. Change the slider value to 30. Do the same process with the fourth widget. It will be the last. Meanwhile, I recommend you to see my other videos of quick and advanced After Effects tutorials. Back to pie chart. Set the slider to 25. Now we will animate it. Select the control layer and press U twice. Go forward and make a keyframe for all of them. Go back and set it to 0. Cool. Select keyframes and press F9. Go to the motion graph and make it something like this. Move keyframes to make it slower. Cool. Now we will create tags. Create 4 squares with pie colors. Name them to not be confused. Now the fun part. Lock the squares if you want. Create a text layer. Type 100 or anything you like. Pick the font you desire. Place it beside the first square. Scale it. Give it the color of the square. Do the same process for all squares. I placed every text layer below its square to leave things organized. We want the digit tag to increment while the pie grows. Go to the first text layer. Go to text source beneath text option. Hold Alt and click on the clock. With Pick Whip, link it to the first slider control. Hit Enter to confirm. Cool. Not so cool. We want only 2 digits to appear. Go back to the expression. At the beginning of code, type x equals. Return to add another line. Type math.round x. It will return the round of x. Cool. Trim the work area if you like. To add the percent mark, go to the last line and add +%. copy the expression and paste it on text layers. Don't forget to change the slider name. I hope I helped you with this easy task. Don't forget to subscribe.